Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Beach Troll. In this video I'm just going to show you how to replace the screen panel on your Andersen 3000 series storm door and replace it with the glass panel that came with it. The first thing we want to do is on the left and right side of the inside of the door itself, there's this plastic stripping. It's fairly wide and it's on both sides, the left and the right. We're just going to pop these strips off. You just grab the outer edge and squeeze it, and there we go. And the screen will come right out. And we'll put the glass panel in. Then we'll take our plastic strips that we used before, that we took off, and we'll put those back on. And then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Now, one thing to take note of, when you're putting the glass panel in, you want to put the panel in the groove that's closest to the outside of the door. And as I said, just make sure it snaps into place. And that's it. It's very simple. It takes a couple of minutes longer than the Andersen 4000 series, which I have a video on as well, but it's very quick to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, kindly give a like and consider subscribing. I have videos out weekly on home improvement and car maintenance, car repair. So check out my channel and my playlist. You might see something that will help you